Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's been creating quite a buzz in the world of digital marketing and reputation management, AI Reputor. If you're a business owner or someone managing a brand's online presence, stick around, because this tool might just be the game changer you've been looking for. So, what exactly is AI Reputor? At its core, it's a powerful AI-driven suite designed to revolutionize how businesses manage their online reputation and lead generation. In today's competitive market, having a stellar online profile is more crucial than ever. With the rise of AI search engines like ChatGPT and Google Gemini, businesses are under pressure to maintain impeccable online profiles. That's where AI Reputor steps in, offering a comprehensive solution to enhance your online presence and capture more leads. Let's break down what makes AI Reputor so impressive. First off, it's all about increasing visibility. We all know that Google business profiles, Yelp, and Facebook are major sources of leads for small businesses. If your profiles aren't optimized or if they're lacking positive reviews, you're likely missing out on a ton of potential customers. AI Reputor helps you stand out in the Google 3-pack, the top 3 local business listings shown for searches like plumbers near me. By boosting your profile with positive reviews and optimization, AI Reputor ensures that your business ranks higher and attracts more attention. But visibility is just the beginning. AI Reputor also focuses on increasing conversion rates. Almost everyone has a smartphone these days, and a simple Google search can make or break a sale. If your profile has few or negative reviews, potential customers will quickly turn to your competitors. AI Reputor tackles this by automating the review process, generating fresh, positive reviews to keep your profile appealing and engaging. Now you might be wondering, how does it all work? AI Reputor offers a range of features designed to automate and streamline the reputation management process. First up, it helps you land clients by finding pre-qualified leads who need reputation management. You get access to detailed metrics on potential leads, such as their review count and profile optimization status. This means you can target businesses that are ripe for improvement. Once you've identified potential clients, AI Reputor makes claiming and managing their profiles a breeze. With just a click, you can claim Google business profiles and other local listings on their behalf. The tool then uses AI to optimize these profiles, write compelling descriptions, and even respond to reviews. Imagine having an AI assistant that handles all these tasks for you. How much time and effort would that save? The automation doesn't stop there. AI Reputor is designed to handle review responses, whether they're positive or negative. You can set it to autopilot mode, and the AI will analyze reviews and respond accordingly, helping to manage customer feedback and maintain a positive online reputation. Plus, it has features to create special local offers and generate fresh content for business profiles, further boosting engagement and visibility. One of the standout features of AI Reputor is its ability to auto-generate positive reviews. It uses smart widgets and no-code AI bots to interact with customers post-purchase. These bots can encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews while providing immediate support to those who might have had a less-than-ideal experience. This dual approach helps you manage and enhance your reputation seamlessly. For those of you managing multiple listings or profiles, AI Reputor has got you covered. It allows you to create and manage review campaigns, whether through email, SMS, or even print-ready marketing materials with QR codes. These QR codes direct customers to specific local profiles where they can leave reviews, making it easier to gather feedback and improve your online reputation. What's also great about AI Reputor is the commercial license that comes with it. This means you can use the tool to offer reputation management services to other businesses and charge them for it. With the potential to charge around $2,000 per month per campaign, AI Reputor not only helps you boost your own business, but also offers a lucrative opportunity for those interested in running a reputation management agency. To top it all off, AI Reputor comes with detailed training on how to start and run a reputation automation agency. even if you're new to the field. This training is essential for anyone looking to capitalize on the growing demand for reputation management services in the age of AI. So there you have it, a deep dive into AI Reputor and how it can transform your approach to managing online reputation and lead generation. If you're ready to take your business to the next level and stay ahead in the digital landscape, AI Reputor might just be the tool you need. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. See you in the next video.